Welcome to this tutorial on how to interpret Best Places state comparison, a valuable tool for understanding the differences between various U.S. states. To start, navigate to the Best Places website and select the state comparison option. First, choose 2 or more states you want to compare from the drop-down menu. You can select up to 5 states for a comprehensive comparison. Once you have selected your states, click the Compare button to generate a detailed report. The report is divided into several sections, including overall rank, cost of living, education, and crime. The overall rank provides a general score for each state based on various factors such as economy, education, and healthcare. The cost of living section breaks down the expenses associated with living in each state, including housing, groceries, and transportation. This information is crucial for individuals considering relocation. The education section compares the quality of schools, student-teacher ratios, and graduation rates. This data is essential for families with children or individuals pursuing higher education. The crime section reports the incidence of violent and property crimes in each state, providing valuable insights for those concerned about safety. To get the most out of the comparison, look for the key factors that matter most to you and your circumstances. For example, if you are retiring, you may prioritize cost of living and healthcare, while a young family may focus on education and crime rates. Best practices for using Best Places state comparison include carefully reviewing the methodology behind the rankings and considering multiple sources to form a well-rounded opinion. It is also essential to stay up to date with the latest data, as state conditions can change rapidly. By following these steps and considering these factors, you can make informed decisions about which states best fit your needs. Whether you are relocating for work, education, or personal reasons, remember to use the comparison tool as a starting point for further research. And always consult multiple sources before making a decision.